What's up, all my fine girls? No Pimple is Whit here again with the video. So today I am back with a brand new video, okay? So Juvia's Place dropped a new palette, and that is the Fula palette, and it finally arrived. It came yesterday in the mail. Today's Sunday that I'm filming this. I was gonna do it Saturday, but it came pretty late on Saturday, like around 6. And if you follow me on Instagram, listen, I finally tried out that Taylor Port wine. That wine that is not wine, okay? And I was done for the rest of the day, okay? So this was gonna have to get done on Sunday. But anyways, so this is the new palette that Juvia's Place dropped, the Fula palette, and this is what the inside looks like. It is a 9-pan palette, and it is squared. So I think Juvia's Place, they do square or circular pans when they feel like it. This time around it's circular. It's small, and yeah, it's just kind of straight to the point. So we're gonna go ahead and create a look using this palette today. Today is Sunday, like I said. Hopefully I can film, edit, and upload this palette today, okay? So if you see it on Sunday, just know that I accomplished my goal, okay? So I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution eyeshadow primer, which I need a new one. I need a new one that like now, like there's like nothing in here. I love this primer so much, and it's so cheap. It's like just $6. I was gonna buy it off Beauty Bay, but it was sold out when I last checked. I need to go back on there and see. But Ulta also carries it as well too. Okay, so the eyes have been primed. So let's go ahead and take a look at this palette. What do I feel like doing? I was honestly leaning towards this shade, this shade, this shade. This shade looks interesting. But then now that I'm seeing this in person, no, okay, I think I want to use this shade and then also this shade as well too. And even this shade. So how do I want to do that? I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade first and put that in my crease. Yes. Okay, and I'm just taking this blending brush. This is a Morphe M506, 503, one of those. I don't know, it's a blending brush. The name has rubbed off, so I cannot fully recall, but this is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in my crease. Y'all, this year went by so fast. I cannot believe it's already December. Like, it's December. That is insane. Oh my gosh. But honestly, I'm like excited for next year too. Like, I'm always excited for a new year, you know? Like, I mean, this year wasn't bad. Honestly, this year was pretty just kind of calm, subtle. It's not ending the way I wanted to end. Like, there was something that I wanted to happen. Not happen. There's something that I wanted to happen, and it's looking like it's not going to happen at the end of this year for me, which, you know, I'll talk about at a later time when I feel like talking about that publicly. But it's something that I just was not expecting. But anyways, I am excited for next year. I'm very excited for next year, because I always go into the new year like just, you know, hopeful and just believing that it's going to be the year that I want. You know, you got to manifest the life that you want. So I'm actually very excited. And also my birthday is in January, so it's finally my turn again. Like, I feel like my birthday happens so early in the year, like, and there's just that, and then you just got to go through the whole year and everybody else is celebrating, you know? So I'm excited for my birthday. I'm still trying to finalize what I want to do for my birthday. I thought I did have it finalized, but that all might just be changing. Okay, so we shall see. We shall see about that. But this color is going on pretty. She's cute, you know. Have you guys done your Christmas shopping yet? Have you finished buying gifts for other people, or have you finished buying gifts for yourself? I'm somebody that I definitely shop for myself. Well, throughout the whole year, but you know, I gotta get myself a nice little Christmas gift. And right now it's looking like it's gonna be some perfumes, and I have my eyes set on 3 different ones, but I ordered samples because I was like, I gotta smell these first before I just, you know, commit to buying them. But yeah, so now that I have that shade placed, I'm gonna take this pencil brush. This is a Morphe M507, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm going to place this on the outer part of my eye, or my outer V. Okay, now I'm gonna take this blending brush right here. This is a Sephora Pro Crease number 10 brush. It's just a clean blending brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend this shade out right here. So as you guys can see, I have my natural hair out. Child, look at that ponytail, girl. Oof. And I want to start wearing my natural hair out more often. The reason why I don't wear it is because I don't know how to do my hair, okay? But it's something that I don't know if I want to learn, but I want to learn how to do enough to where I can like style it. Like for me, I like just like a slick back or as slick as I could get this, because I mean, it's definitely some flyaways. But I like stuff like this. You know, I want to be able to just have more of like that natural look. As you guys can see, I have toned down on my nails, okay? And it's not to say that I would never do like, you know, crazy colorful nails again, but like I am liking more of just like a simplistic, clean look. Like, I mean, I do the crazy looks here for YouTube, but like day to day, I'm really not wearing stuff like this. So even down to my makeup, nails, like hair, I'm just liking the clean look. I don't know, it's a phase, you know, everything's a phase in life. Like I might go back into the wild colors one of these days, but right now I'm really, really liking just more of a clean look. And so what I'm even trying to say with my hair is sometimes with the wigs, I don't be wanting to wear the wigs. I just feel like they're just too much. Sometimes I just kind of want to look like me. Like, you know, like if I have my natural hair out, that's me. That's just natural. You know, it just looks like me. I hope that makes sense. It was making sense in my head, but I don't know if it actually made sense coming out. But as long as I understand what I was trying to say, then that's all that matters, right? Yes, that's all that matters. Okay, so this shade is beautiful, by the way. This shade, whew. So I'm just gonna take a little bit more of that shade and pat that down. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm definitely gonna have to redo my makeup today. I kind of have like a little date today, okay? And I am not wearing this. Not that he would care, but still. I'm just not wearing this. I'm gonna have to just redo my whole eye makeup. I'm just gonna have to redo the whole makeup and like the whole thing gotta get redone. It's morning time I'm filming this anyway. What time is it? It's 10:35. So I want to have all of this like done. I want to be done filming this, editing this, and uploading this all by like 1 o'clock. Because I have to go to the grocery store and pick up some stuff. And then I need to shower again for this date, you know. Okay, well, speaking of showering, y'all, let me first put this shade on, and then we're gonna talk about some things, because when I say people on the internet are dirty, and I'm really getting to a point where it's just kind of like, you just need to keep stuff to yourself, because we don't need to know everything, because some people are really just dirty. But so for the shimmer, so I really want to play with this shade, right? But I kind of want to do something different and probably take like this in the inner corner. But let me see what this looks like, because I don't want it to be too dark. Like, I mean, hold on, how does that look? That might be a little too dark. That might be a little too dark. What about this gold shade? Okay, and then take this orange shade or this peachy shade. How does that look? Ooh. Is that something that I feel like I've already done before? Taking this in the inner corner and then doing that. I feel like I've kind of done that. Like, I kind of want to do this, but I'm nervous that I'm not gonna like that. Like, what do I tell myself if I don't like it? I don't know. Okay, let me pause on the inner corner first, and let me put down the shimmer shade. Maybe if I have it down, then I can see the vision better. Okay, so I'm gonna take this brush right here. This is a Morphe M209, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here and put this on my lid. Okay, so let's talk about taking a bath, because apparently it's like, I thought taking a bath every day was just, you know, something that was understood, and, you know, we all partook in that, but apparently not. And TikTok really, people just really be on it just telling their business. I'm just kind of like what? This girl, she got on the internet and stated that she only likes to wash her hair twice a week. So therefore, because she only washes her hair twice a week, that's the only time she takes showers. I did not realize that you wanting to wash your hair determines if your whole body gets to have a bath. Like, what do some people have against soap and water? I don't understand. Like, what is wrong with it? Like, what does it do to you that you don't like it? I'm confused. Like, I love taking a bath. Taking a shower is amazing. Like, you know, you just get it clean off the woes of the day. Like, I don't understand how people just generally do not like taking a bath. And like, you know, okay, so I'm black, right? And we don't wash our hair every day. So just imagine if I determine me taking a bath based off when I get to wash my hair. What? Not only that, this was a girl who was even saying this, right? As a woman, I feel like just in general, as a human being, you should be taking a bath every day. But as a woman, it's non-negotiable. Like, you have a vagina, okay? We have monthly periods. You don't feel uncomfortable? Like, that area can smell. Like, okay, it can smell. Just even on a regular day, if you just, you know, go to the restroom, do number 1, do number 2, it's going to smell down there. So I'm confused how you feel okay going a whole 2 days, 3 days without taking a bath. I'm telling you, people on the internet are dirty. They are dirty. And the internet is just exposing a lot of behavior that has been going on for years. And now we're just knowing about it, because I really thought that taking a bath was something that, you know, everybody did. Like you did it. Like, you're not homeless. You got a whole bathroom. There are homeless people who would love to be able to shower every day. And you have that luxury and you're talking about, I'm not gonna do it. My goodness. Okay, so this is cute. Okay, so I'm gonna take more of that green shade and just, you know, fade her like this. Like this. Okay, I do want to do an inner corner highlight shade. By the way, this shimmer, the shimmer is cute, but I don't know if I like the formula. It's one of those shimmers where it's kind of like flaking everywhere. It's not just kind of like just placing down. As you guys can see, like, do y'all see how, hold on, wait, am I focused? Okay, there we go. Do y'all see how it got on this shade here because it was flaking? So that's not my favorite. I don't like shimmers like that, but I mean, the color's cute, but the formula is not my favorite. Okay, and then I think for the inner corner highlight shade, oh, I also didn't swatch this shade. Let's see what this one looks like. This one looks like some type of like duo chrome. Ooh. She's cute, but I'm not gonna use her. I think what I'm going to do, oh, I think I have a sneeze coming. Okay, no, it's not coming, okay. I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm gonna place that in my inner corner. See how that looks. I mean, okay, well, let me take a little bit more of that peachy shade and just kind of, you know, blend these two colors together. Okay, so that is the eye look. I think she's cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera. I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. Swatches, I don't think we're gonna get swatches in this video because I kind of swatched all of them, but you know what, let me just swatch the ones that I did not do, which were, since we're here right now, I didn't do this one, I didn't do this one, and then I mean, this one is kind of self-explanatory, but I'll swatch this one. So those are those. Ooh, this is actually kind of dark. Okay, so yeah, I did swatch the whole palette for you guys. Yay! Don't have to do that. So I'll be back to show you guys the completed look and give you guys my final thoughts on this palette in a little bit, or in a second. All right, guys, so this is the completed look using the Fula palette. This is what it looks like yet again on the inside. It comes with 4 mattes and 5 shimmers. Okay, and I think my eye look came out pretty cute. Like, I mean, honestly, I like the touch of the inner corner highlight shade that I put, but honestly, if I was to take that out and just do the peach and this turquoise shade, she's still a moment, okay? She is still really cute. So, I mean, this palette, I wanna say it was $10. It had to be $10. It had to be $10. There's no way I paid $15 for this. Like, I'm pretty sure this was $10. So yeah, there's not really much to say about this. Honestly, it looks like a smaller version of the Wahala palette, and I'm talking more based off just like the actual packaging, because the Wahala palette was kind of like similar colors. I'm really excited to see what Juvias Place might put out this December. If we're gonna get anything else for the rest of the year, I am excited. This right here, this was just random. Like, I mean, I felt like the coffee shop palette, like that was a whole collection. Like, you know, they came up with glosses, a palette, like they really kind of did their thing there. And then this was just kind of like random. I'm just kind of like, this is just such a random palette to just drop like a week later. But you know, we shall see. Hopefully they do one more solid collection before the year is up. But yeah, I don't have anything else to say. I think the palette was cute. I mean, she's fun. Like, did I need the palette? No. All of these shades, I know, like for a fact, all of my other palettes that I have by Juvias Place, I know I can recreate this look for sure. But I mean, you guys know I'm a collector here by Juvias Place, so I got the palette, so that's that. So hopefully anybody who did pick this palette up, you know, this is some inspiration for a look for you to create. But yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.